My name is Evan Kanter, and I'm a member of the class of 2019 at UTS. Currently, I attend the University of Toronto, where I am studying a computer science specialist with a focus in AI and a second major in ethics, society, and law. I cannot emphasize enough how helpful my experience at UTS was to prepare me for university. Academically, UTS is a preparation like none other. The staff and faculty at UTS are very supportive and very engaged and interested in the subjects that they teach. This makes the experience not just enjoyable, but also very much enriching. The quality of learning at UTS prepared me very well for university. In the sciences, as you might know, the curriculum at UTS is advanced, and so it prepares you well for math or science courses at university. In the humanities, and this is perhaps underemphasized, the UTS humanities program is very good in terms of teaching students how to write well, how to organize their thoughts well, how to communicate well, how to research well, how to examine primary sources in history, or consider complicated ideas in a philosophy or a law class. So all of those experiences at UTS prepared me well to study what I am studying now, as I study at the intersection of computer science and humanities in ethics and political philosophy. So both the humanities and the science and math training I got from UTS, I find helpful every single day studying at university. If I were to pick two things that I found to be most memorable about my time at UTS, it would be A, my class experience and the experience with the amazing faculty at UTS, and second, the social experience and the experience with co-curriculars at UTS. Firstly, I think unique to UTS is really how passionate the teachers are, which makes every class super enjoyable, super interesting, and definitely a very special learning experience. Beyond that, these staff are also extremely supportive with a variety of co-curricular activities all the time. I know I was involved with the stage crew at UTS, the robotics program, the speech and debate society, and the mock trial program, just to name a few. And these were experiences that I learned a lot from outside of class time and made a lot of friends that I stay in touch with today. And I can fondly look back on my many evenings of robotics practice or my speech and debate tournaments or mock trial trip to New York. So I think if you attend UTS, you'll really enjoy the experience of the really rich array of possible co-curricular activities that you could engage in. I feel lucky to be a member of the UTS alumni community. As I transition to university life, it's been very helpful. Firstly, just anecdotally, I think 40% of my professors in my first year had a connection to UTS, whether as a former UTS parent or an alum of UTS themselves. Furthermore, professionally, it's been helpful to be able to reach out to members of the UTS alumni community for support, for advice, or for a connection to different job opportunities. But in addition, there are many members of the UTS alumni community who I consider friends and who I speak to on a regular basis. So it's a great community to be a part of after you graduate. And I'm sure that it's a gift that just keeps on giving for years to come, many years which I look forward to experiencing.